Romtec designs, supplies, and constructs park and recreation structures nationwide. We are licensed architects, engineers, and contractors providing design-build services to districts, cities, counties, states, and federal customers nationwide. Our design-build capability includes site civil plans, demolition of existing buildings, and the construction of new structures designed and engineered by Romtec. For over 30 years, agencies nationwide have turned to Romtec for turnkey design-build solutions. Romtec specializes in restrooms, pavilions, shower buildings, swimming pool, concession, and multi-purpose structures for park and recreation sites, in materials ranging from concrete to wood and from steel to dimensional lumber. Romtec can design to match existing structures or give you virtually any look you desire. Design-build makes sense. It saves time and money, and you get the quality you need from a single supplier who is responsible for everything. When you're ready to explore design-build for your next park and recreation project, contact Romtec. You'll be glad you did.